Hi! I'm very excited! So as you guys know, this is regular. This is regular stock rear, right? I know. It looks cool, but let me show you this. Check this out real quick, a little preview. We'll have a little small minor. Look at that. The silver and the red just pops. That's why I want it. Boom. All right, I gotta install it at home because I'll tell you guys later. So due to technical difficulties at the shop, I couldn't install this bad boy. So now that I'm home, I'm actually gonna get her done and show you what I had to do to make this fit. Because on the N5 is different. Like this button as right here, different. You gotta like either, I don't know if you can take this off or not, but I'm not gonna take it off. All I'm gonna do is just make this circle a little wider, you know? So it'll be like a little black right there. Hopefully it works. If not, you guys will see in the video. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Just take off the screws, undo this. We're gonna drill holes through there, and I actually bought a drill bit. These are the tools you're gonna need. Tools you're gonna need: a gun and gun bullets. They sell it, a whole H bracket. I'm just being really lazy. Maybe in the future video I'll do it. This is not a genuine HECKBLEND. It's just like maybe a replica aftermarket. And if all goes well, check the website because I'll have these for you guys to buy. Limited quantity only, so get there while you can. This is for a European model, and for the European model and the US model, they're different for some reason. We have to bolt our cars right here, so they drilled holes into the trunk right here versus European will be right here. So an H bracket would come in clutch, it would bolt in right here and then also bolt in right here, so therefore you don't have to do no drilling. But for the sake of time, and I just went through this bad boy on because I bought it like a whole week ago and it's still not on the car. Check it. This is where we're having trouble. So this don't fit. This is wider. The red one is smaller, so we have to modify that. And then maybe that comes out.
What does that do?
It just lubes it up, so just in case I can like.
Penetrating catalyst.
Because somebody said it comes off. Oh, it does actually come off. What do you know there? I was like, dude, I don't think it comes off. They're like, it does come off. And I was like, nah, bro. Came off. Hey, it's not going in, bro. Scoots in there. Yeah. It sits flush, right? Now look at this one. Piece of yonky. I would like for it to go in so it could be flush.
It's an aftermarket, so it's not going to go in.
Bullshit. Not if I can help it. We're gonna make this work.
Oh.
Damn, bro. I usually wear headphones. And if you really think about it, you guys are kind of doing like sort of time travel. Boom, time traveling. This is odd. You know what? I'm being a little anal. Honestly, it kind of felt good, but I'm just being a little anal because this is a replica and there's a little bit of improvements, you know? I'm just gonna message the people that make these and be like, hey, shave them like maybe a 1/4 inch off because I want it to sit flush. I shaved a 1/4 inch off, right? Mm-hmm. And then now, it actually sits behind the trunk. And I want it to raise up a little higher to match the lights. And then I'll be happy. I'm just being a little anal about this. I'm usually not like this, but I'm saying it could have been better, and I'm gonna make it better. And if I like have these for you guys to buy, best believe I'm gonna shave that bad boy because everybody car should be looking like, you know, it's all in the details. Play it. All right, I'm gonna drill the holes now. Hello fellas, welcome back. To drill the holes, I was actually putting a little light, and I don't know if you can see behind it, but you can see the shadow of the little grommet. So I did that, and then you can just drill the hole through, and it should be precise. I'm doing the bottom one only. Just damn, bro, I can't be riding around with these nasty bolts. Just gonna hit it with a little bit of clay. Stuff like this, fellas, make me motivated to fix the N5 more. It's just when I have no money. That's when I'm just like, time to do drugs. You know what I mean? Because like this is what makes me happy. Modifying my car, just sometimes I have no money. That's the only problem. so there you have it. I'm currently loving how the M5 looks, but just to let you guys know, this is not its final form. It has one more stage of evolution in the rear that I would like to do. Holy fuck. Hey, this is not planned. I was just filming the outro and these guys shut up.
Guess it?
Yeah, guess what I did.
Alright.
They're non-car guys, but yeah.
I know.
The lights.
Fuck you, asshole! You took my fucking shit. I knew that one too.
Oh yeah, well,
Lights.
thanks for.
See, I listened to you and I watched your video. That's how you know I'm a fucking fan, bro.
That's what I'm talking about, because we
Real
know
fan
who doesn't
shit.
watch it,
Real
right?
fan shit.
So like I was saying, that's not the final form of the M5. Still want to do a little bit of things, but for the most part, you guys get the picture. I'll see you soon. Like, subscribe, all that fun YouTube stuff. Your boy is out.